As drone threats become faster, stealthier, and more unpredictable, traditional air defense systems are struggling to keep up. Enter Roadrunner, a cutting-edge, jet-powered interceptor drone from American defense tech company Anduril Industries. This isn't your typical surface-to-air missile system. Roadrunner is a reusable, autonomous, vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) drone designed to seek out and neutralize aerial threats, and come back home if it doesn't need to explode. Powered by twin turbojet engines, Roadrunner can launch vertically without boosters, transition to high-speed horizontal flight, and intercept enemy drones, cruise missiles, or even low-flying helicopters. If the mission doesn't result in a collision or detonation, the drone lands safely back at base, ready to go again. That's a game changer. Most loitering munitions are one and done: fire, hit, and you lose the drone. Roadrunner breaks that cycle with its partial reusability, drastically cutting the cost per mission and enabling rapid redeployment against swarming drone attacks. The Roadrunner M variant is armed with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead, capable of taking out airborne targets with precision, either through a direct hit or a timed detonation. If the target is missed, the warhead deactivates and the drone returns safely. What makes Roadrunner truly versatile is its modular architecture. It's not limited to kinetic strikes. It can be reconfigured for surveillance, electronic warfare, or recon missions, depending on battlefield needs. Designed for rapid deployment, the system can be launched almost instantly from compact, mobile platforms. That makes it ideal for hybrid warfare, where threats can appear and vanish in minutes. Roadrunner isn't just another drone. It's a next-gen tech platform reshaping how we think about air defense. Reusable, autonomous, scalable, and cost-effective.